Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a saved XLSX workbook and setting clear headers so every action is trackable. Once done, type ID, date, owner, action, status, priority, and due date in the top row. This gives structure. Make the header row bold, apply a table style, and freeze the top row so labels stay visible while scrolling. These steps let Excel treat data consistently and prepare you for filters, formulas, and validation that come next. Now you add data validation and formulas to reduce errors and automate tracking. Apply drop-down lists for status and priority using data validation so entries are consistent. Convert the range to a table with Ctrl+T. This enables structured references and dynamic ranges. Insert formulas. A created column with equals today. If needed, conditional formulas that flag overdue items, and summary formulas like countifs or unique to count open actions. These choices keep the finish by creating a compact dashboard and locking down the sheet. You should add a pivot table or summary cells showing open actions, overdue count, and owner workload. Charts help spot bottlenecks. Protect sheets or specific cells to prevent accidental edits, set workbook permissions, and schedule regular backups. If things go wrong, check named ranges and remove merged cells. These often break formulas and validation. Make sure to refresh connections and recalc.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.